that Arvind Kejriwal has made to Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain, and he goes on to say, अपनी सेहत का ख्याल किए बिना आप रात दिन 24 घंटे जनता की सेवा में लगे रहे, अपना ख्याल रखें और जल्द स्वस्थ हो. So that's a message that Arvind Kejriwal is giving to his colleague and party minister in Delhi, Health Minister Satyendra Jain, who had complained symptoms of COVID-19. Shantashi, coming back to you on that, that is a message that we had to just break off Delhi Chief Minister's wishes for Satyendra Jain so that he can get well soon. But many measures that will be taken upon by the Chief Minister himself are taking a look at the hospital situation in Delhi.
Definitely. After Amit Shah and also the committee that has been formed to be headed by AIIMS doctors who are going to visit each private and government hospital to look into the measures and also the complaints that are being made constantly by the patient's family. We believe that Arvind Kejriwal will also visit all these hospitals and take a look. Not only CCTVs are going to be installed in the COVID wards, but also a lot of other measures are needed to be taken in to improve the health infrastructure, which had been constantly been a cause of concern for the people of Delhi, because they had been complaining that it's patients' family who are going inside COVID wards and taking care of the patients rather than the nurses and the attendants. Some person has also complained saying that a person is coughing but nobody is listening to him, and he had to shout at the top of his voice to get some attention from the nurses and the doctors. So this is the condition that is taking place. Also, a lot of patients are being turned away by these private hospitals as well as LNGP and GTB Nagar hospital, saying that they do not have beds despite Delhi government showing the number of COVID beds that are available. So these are the complaints that were constantly being received. Also, after Supreme Court had come down heavily upon government hospitals, saying that patients are being treated worse than animals, we believe that that particular step was taken by Amit Shah and now will be taken by Arvind Kejriwal to visit these hospitals, improve the look into the improvement that is supposed to be brought into these hospitals, and also look into the preparations that are being
directed towards the Delhi government. Yesterday, after the meeting, that all-party meeting that was also chaired by Union Home Minister Amit Shah, and then a surprise visit to the LNJP hospital as well. And we are looking at many of those measures that will be taken upon immediately, especially when it comes to the rising number of patients that are now going across to the hospitals for better treatment and facilities, and whether or not there will be a cap announced on the treatment that can be given to the patients from private hospitals too. Thank you very much to all three of you, Shantashi, Shumi, and also Amandeep, for joining us here on the broadcast. Let's move on now and take a look at more news and updates we are following.